For this short tutorial video, we'll show you how to quickly find specific 1-minute lessons by language and topic. Let's say you quickly want to learn how to give or ask directions in Japanese. The quick way to get the lesson, or lessons, you need is to use our channel search box. Go to Language Central channel homepage, and click on the channel search box. Type in this case, Japanese and directions. This will quickly give you all available 1-minute lessons with either the words Japanese or directions, or both, and the title. In this particular case, the lessons you are mostly interested in are the first two in the list. Any playlist, or playlists, containing these lessons are also included in the list, as well as other 1-minute lessons in other languages that also contain the word directions. And that's how you can quickly find specific 1-minute lessons by language and topic. Try it now.